I know it's a welcome back Hajj program, and I just want to remind myself and remind the brothers and sisters who have been to Hajj this year, those who have been before, and those who intend to go. And I want to again congratulate Madinatul Uloom for having a welcome back Hajj program. You see, not only does this show some appreciation, the acceptance of Hajj comes from Allah, but just the mere fact of inviting families who have been to Hajj, that's a motivation for them to continue to live what they have experienced in the Holy Land. So remember that point. It's a little motivation. It's a little reminder that what you have gone through in Hajj, what you have learned, what you have experienced, this is a motivation now to continue to do it. Plus, it is also an opportunity for those of you who have been to Hajj to encourage other people to go to Hajj. A lot of times, and many a times, most people do not encourage other people to go to Hajj. It's basically the Hajj leaders, the Hajj groups that encourage people to go to Hajj. But those of you who have been to Hajj, in my reminder tonight, in this Welcome Hajj program, I want to remind you and remind myself, try to make it your duty, now that Allah has invited you to go to the Holy Land, to perform Hajj, Makkah, to go and give salams to the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. You should also take it upon yourself to invite other family members, other friends and relatives who have not been to Hajj to go to Hajj. Because in the Quran, in Surah Hajj, chapter 22 of the Quran, verse number 27, Surah Hajj, chapter 22, verse number 27, Allah says, وَأَذِّن فِي النَّاسِ بِالْحَجِّ. Do you know what Allah is saying? And proclaim, adhan, people translate it to mean proclaim, but it really means call. The adhan, call. وَأَذِّن فِي النَّاسِ بِالْحَجِّ. Allah says, and proclaim, call the people to Hajj. So if you have been to Hajj, that is a form of da'wah now, that you should invite other people to go to Hajj.